In this video, I'll be showing you how to tag TikTok Shop items in your live stream. So in order to do that, you're gonna need to first add items to your showcase. And so to add items to your showcase, you wanna click on the home button and then go to shop. And then afterwards, these are all the items that you can promote on TikTok Shop. So let's say you wanna promote these hoodies here. You click on the hoodies and then you see that toggle icon if you click on down below. Once you click that, you're going to have the ability to add a product to a showcase. Sometimes when you click on a product though, it's going to require a review. So I recommend that you add products to your showcase before you actually buy them. Just because I purchased items before and it turned out that I actually need to review the item, or the item, my showcase application needed to be reviewed before I would actually be able to be allowed to promote it. Now, next, what you want to do is go back and then click on the plus icon in the middle. Now you want to scroll over to the right and then click on products on the bottom left hand side. Now, next you want to click on add products. And so this is your showcase, and this is where you're going to see all the products that you've planned to promote in the past or you plan to promote currently. So all you have to do is actually click on the add button, and then that product will be added to your live stream. So these are the hoodies that we just added. I'll click on add, go back, and now this product is added to my live stream. So if you want to delete a product, you could just click on products again and then click on the trash can icon next to the item that you want to delete and then remove it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, do let me know down below.